everyone, Gaga Joy's cooking. Today I'm making a pizza in a Bundt pan. How about that? And it's sort of like, remember the old monkey bread we used to make? That's basically the same thing. It's just the 2 cans of biscuits cut up into 4s. I did it the lazy way, of course. I know I have lots of lazy ways to do stuff. And this is because it's so handy when you're doing something quickly and you know somebody's coming and you'd like to get the mess cleaned up quick. This is so good. And they are so good. You can make them any kind. Now, I'm just making the pepperoni with maybe a little bit of oregano and, let's see, pepper. Look at my pretty pepper I got out of the garden. Isn't that beautiful? So, a little bit of that in there. This time of year, it's sort of a happy time and sad time because I hate to see a garden go out, but I'm tired of watering it this year. It's about, I counted it before, it's about 2 tablespoons of olive oil just to keep them from sticking together and being able to pull apart. Okay, 1. And I'm not putting garlic in this, but I'm putting garlic powder because if you can't get garlic down in the bread. And I think for that reason, I thought, well, I've just always used the powder. And it's actually turned out quite well. And of course, a lot of people don't like garlic, so. My mother was a wonderful cook, but she never liked garlic. Growing up, we never had garlic. So when I got older and started cooking my own meals, garlic became, one of those things that I loved, but it wasn't because we grew up with garlic. But I don't know why. Everybody has, I'm not real big on oregano. But I'm using it in this because it does just give it such a wonderful piece of flavor. And you'll see how quick it is. You can cut each biscuit separately if you want. I don't want to. I'm spreading my pepperoni all over the place, though. Okay. Now let's get a little bit more olive oil in there. Good. Same thing with the pepperoni. I do cut it in 2. That way it's about the same size as the biscuits. And it's usually 3/4 of a cup. I use it till I think it looks full, but it's about 3/4 of a cup. That's what's about in this. So we'll spread it out a bit. And then add it as we go too. Put a little oregano in it. Sausage. Sausage would be good in it. I should have thought of that too. I think I did make it with the sausage one time. It's been a while ago. Okay, now I sprayed my pan just to make sure that it didn't stick. You probably wouldn't have to, but might as well be safe than sorry. My theory. And if you got marinara sauce, just a little side dish of marinara sauce with it, it's now I'll put a little bit of garlic in it. A bit of red pepper. It's as much or as little as you like. Okay, another layer. Of course, plenty of cheese. That's the only thing that would probably make it stick would be the cheese. A few more peppers. Let's finish this baby up. Okay, now let's put plenty of mozzarella on top. We've got I've just got plain cheddar, mozzarella, put some more pepperoni. After all, it is a pepperoni pizza. Yes, it is. Okay, I've got my oven on 350. It usually takes 45 minutes on 350. And we'll be back. Well, I just took it out of the oven. As you can see how beautiful it is. On top, I'm going to turn it out now. And it did come out. Let me loosen the edges here. Because this is my good pan that lets everything go. So, if not, then we'll have to eat it a different way. Come on. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Ta-da! There it is. Now all we need is some marinara sauce, which I'm not pulling it apart yet. Oh no, I'm pulling apart. See how easy it comes apart. So get us some marinara sauce in about an hour, and we'll eat it. So there's your pizza and a butt pan. Well, it's been a good day. I'm glad you dropped in. Subscribe, ring that bell. Remember the joy. Bring joy to someone's life today. We'll see you soon. Bye.